today concept is data driven testing. Data driven testing means implementing retesting. What is retesting? Already tested functionality again and again we will test with multiple sets of data. We will test with multiple sets of data, not only single set of data. We will take multiple sets of data and we will do testing. So that's why that is called data driven testing. So data driven testing we will implement in three ways. One is Excel sheet, second one is array, third one is web application. So today concept is Excel sheet. Data driven testing with Excel sheet. Data driven testing with Excel sheet. So if you want to work with Excel sheet, compulsory we should configure PY files. Already I told you we need to configure PY files. PY files. We need to configure PY files. Yes, we need to configure PY files. Already I configured PY files. So how we can do today we will discuss. Go to SRC, take the new class Excel data driven testing. Excel data driven testing. Keep the mark public static void main, click on finish. So before going to Excel sheet methods, first of all we should know some methods. We should know some methods. One is before going to Excel sheet, compulsory we should know some methods. First method is get sheet index method. Get sheet index method. First method name is get sheet index method. Get sheet index method. Get sheet index. Get sheet index method. This method is used for getting the index of the any sheet by providing the sheet name. So if we want to get the sheet index, compulsory we should provide the sheet name. So this method is used for getting the index of any sheet by providing the sheet name. By providing the sheet name. By providing the sheet name. Get sheet index method is used for getting the any sheet index by providing the sheet name. By providing the sheet name. Right. Next method, get last row number. Get last row number. This method is used for getting the all the row count, all the row count, all the row count in the sheet. Here count start with 0. Row count start with 0. Row count start with 0. This method is used for we can get the all the row count in the sheet. We can get the all the row count in the sheet. So here sheet count to start with 0. Here count start with 0. Row count start with 0. If it is web table, row count start with 1. So this is the Excel sheet. Row count start with 0. Row count start with 0. Row count start with 0. Already we discussed dynamic handling web table. In that that concept nearly 5 classes back we discussed. Row count start with 1. But here if it is get Excel sheet, row count start with 0. Right. Next, get last cell count. Last cell count. This method is used for getting the all the cell count in the particular row. Here count start with 1. Cell count start with 1. Cell count start with 1. Get last cell count. Just get last cell number. So just get last cell number. So this method row count means get last row number means we can get the all the row count, and get the cell number means we can get the all the cell count. So here cell count start with 1. Okay. And the last one, get sheeted method. Get sheeted. This method is used for It will focus on the particular row based on the index. It will focus on the particular row based on the index. Get sheet at method. This method is used for making Selenium to focus on the particular row based on the index. These four methods are used for we can get the data from Excel sheet. So for example, I have data in Excel sheet. So where I have data in Excel sheet. I want to get the data from Excel sheet. How to get the data from Excel sheet? Today concept is how to get the data from Excel sheet. How to get the data from Excel sheet. So, for example, we have data in Excel sheet. So this is the data. This is not data. So data. We have data in Excel sheet. I want to get the data from Excel sheet. How to get the data from Excel sheet? For example, where is triplex? Any data. If I want to write once again, it is very difficult. We can write it. Leave it. In folder. Already I created some data. Oh God. Input data. I'm creating data now. 1, 2, 3. Go. Jin. Yes. This is the data. File. Save. At desktop. Akki.xls. Save as. Desktop. Akki.xls. Save. Right. We have data in Excel sheet. We have data in Excel sheet. This is the data. So Excel sheet. We have data in Excel sheet. How to get the data from Excel sheet? So right click. Go to properties. Copy the path. Copy. Okay. Come to concept. So first take one string. So we have data in Excel sheet in desktop. So I want to get the data from Excel sheet. So first take one public static string S1. I'm taking one string S1. String S1. I'm taking one string public static string S1. So before main method, we should write here. So after that, we can write the program. Right. So here I want to get the data from Excel sheet. How we can get the data from Excel sheet? File input stream. File input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. New file input stream. Give the path of the file. Control V. Oh God. Path of the file. Once again, we need to copy. Properties. Copy the path. copy. Okay, control V. Akhi.xls. Akhi.xls. So if you want to get the data, if you want to send the data, if you want send the data, or if you want to get the data from Excel sheet, compulsory we should use double slash. Already I told you Excel operations. So we need to mention double slash. You should mention double slash, right? So I want to get the data from this sheet. So how we can get the data? Akhi.xls, right? Over. Next. So if you want to get the data from Excel sheet, already I told you workbook. We should use workbook. Workbook WB equal to workbook factory dot create sheet index. Create FIS. All right. Next. I want to find the sheet. Int st sheet equal to. So already I told you WB dot get sheet index, 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 get sheet index. Yes, get sheet index. Just give the sheet name, sheet 1. So I want to get the data in sheet 1. I want to get the data in sheet 1. I want to get the data in sheet 1. I want to get the data in sheet 1. Right. Next, sheet s equal to wb dot get sheet, get sheeted method, get sheeted method, get sheeted, get sheeted, get sheeted, get sheeted, get sheet at. Where is get sheeted? Import the statement, then only we can get that one. Sheet, shet, sheet, right? Is what Apache POI SS user model. Right. Now we can get the method. Dot get sheeted, get sheeted, get sheeted, get sheet at, get sheeted. Ah, why it is not coming? WB dot, right? So we need to import the statements. File input stream, 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 file input stream. So create a file, add throws, change it to WB workbook. Workbook WB equal to workbook factory dot create FIS. Why it is showing error? What's wrong here? Workbook factory dot create FIS, right? Workbook factory, workbook WB equal to workbook factory dot create FIS, right? Sheet 1 mentioned, sheet caps, okay, no problem. wb dot get sheeted method dot get sheet at dot get sheet at method. Why it is not coming? Get sheet at get sheet at get sheet at get sheet at. Ah, what's wrong here? Nothing. Anything is wrong. Sheet user model user model HSF user model Apache Py workbook. I have doubt on this one. Workbook user model. Right. So if it is method is wrong, then get sheeted right. Get sheeted method. ST. So already before class already I told you this is not very easy. So programming part. So here file input stream I gave path. Okay, that is very easy. Already I told you if you want to work with Excel sheet we need to create the workbook. Workbook WB equal to workbook factory dot create FIS. Here I am using get sheet index method. So it will focus on the already I told you get sheet index method. This method is used for getting the sheet index by providing the sheet name. So that's the reason I am giving sheet 1 sheet s equal to wb dot get sheet at. It will focus on the particular row based on the index. So I gave st. So st means so we are getting the sheet index. So that st I mentioned here. So up to now clear. Next, I want to find out the number of rows. So into row count into row count equal to s dot get last row get last row number right. So get last row number. Next, we can write for loop. Already we wrote for loop number of times. So for into I equal to 0, I less than. So I don't know particular row count. So how we can write? So row count plus 1. Why? Because row count to start with 0. So row count plus 1 I plus right over. So if it is for loop, then we can row I equal to 0. God. Next. So I need cell count also. I need cell count also. So before that, we should write row r equal to. Once again, I will explain you. Don't worry. So row r equal to s dot get row, get row, get row, get row, get row, get row, s dot get row. Right. Okay. Import the statement row Apache. No. User model. Change to get row. Why it is showing error? God, row I. I mentioned right. Right. God. Over. Next, cell count. Copy. control V. So cell count, get last cell number, get last cell number. Why it is showing error? Get last row number, get int cell count equal to r dot get cell number, get last cell number. So j equal 0, j less than cell count, no need of 1. Why? Because cell count start with 0. So j plus plus. So next cell c equal to get cell or dot get cell j or dot get cell j or dot get cell j. Right. Max, we completed cell Apache SS user model. Right. Get cell, change to get cell. Right over. So we got row count as well as cell count. So if you want to print it, how we can print it to? Here we are writing if else if. Here we are using if else if method. If else if, that method is used for if it is string data it will print to, if it is numerical data it will print to, how it will print to. So now we can write the if else. If c dot get cell type, get cell type, get cell type, get cell type, get cell type. If it is get cell type, if it is numeric, how we can write? So cell type equal to c dot cell type numeric or cell type string first, cell type string. Right. Up to now no issues, no errors. All right. Next I need where is the bracket, not it comma. Right. Night s1, I taken one string s1 before that. So s1 equal to c dot get string cell value, get string cell value. Right, got it. Next sy so control space s1. Right. So if it is string type we can get the string type. So if it is numerical type, that time also we should write else if. How we can write else if? Else if, so enter. Mm, else if, else if, c dot get cell type, 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 get cell type. If c equal get cell type double equal to, if it is numeric, how we can write? C dot get cell type numeric, 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 cell type numeric. Right. Cell type numeric. Right over. Next we need to print it. Over. Concept is over. We need to print it. Else if. Why? Oh, space. Mm. We need to print it. So how we can print to S1 equal to string dot value of C dot get cell numeric value get numeric cell value get numeric cell value. God. S5 S4 control space S1. Yes, this is the concept. So if it is numerical data or string data, we can get the data from Excel sheet. So we are getting the data or not, first to check it. So after that, once again I will explain you. Right. So program is very small, but we need to use number of methods. It's not very easy. So already I told you, whenever we are discussing Excel methods, already I told you. So if it is Excel sheet, so it's not very easy. Save, click on run. Hmm. I want to get the data. What happened? Sheet index. Something is wrong. Still, it's wrong. God. Row count to 1. No. Okay. Row count to 1. No. Row count to plus 1. No. Right. Next cell J, J plus plus. Hmm. Save. Click on run. No. Still, it is showing error. Sheet index minus 1. No. So if I write one, it is cell count to into cell count equal arg last cell number for into j equal 0, j less than row count to get last cell number. No need of for loop. Compulsory. We need for loop. J less than cell count j plus plus open bracket. Concept is same. What is the long illegal argument? Sheet minus 1 is sheet index start with 1j cell count. Wait 1 second, 1 second, wait. Why it is not showing? Save, click on done. Oh, what happened? Exception in thread main Java log illegal argue sheet index minus 1 is out of range 0 1. Concept is over. Just wait. I will check the program once again. So this is the main problem. It's not very easy. Din, 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 din. File input string sheet 1 no sheet get sheeted to st into row count to s equal to get raster cell number int I equal to 1 I equal to not 1 I equal 0 I equal 0 I equal 0 I less than into I mentioned int yes into j equal to 0 cell count j plus plus cell get cell I get cell I get cell I get cell j cell I get cell j c r. Program is right, 100% is right. Save, click on done. Sheet index minus 1 is out of range 0 1. What's wrong here? Why it is not taking? The program there is no I plus plus J plus plus. Something is wrong. Where it is wrong? Ah, file. Switch to workspace. Go to Maven. Small. 1 minute. 1 minute. I can solve the problem. 1 minute only. 1 minute. Go to SRs. Take the new class exe. Click on finish. Control V. Save. Click on run. Editor does not contain a main type. What's wrong? We are in SRC only. Okay. We need file input string, workbook, user model, workbook factory, sheet, or row, cell, get sheeted. Why it is showing error? Workbook factory. Dot create FIS. Create FIS. So here is no error. What's wrong? String is so no. Okay. No Excel file. Huh? Excel data. X. Yeah, what's wrong? Hi, user Akhil desktop Akita. Okay, okay. Excel SX. Oh, I equal 0, J equal 0. Save, click on run. Huh? Excel S. Where? Save, click on run. Hmm. Why it is not working? Copy. So first observe XLSX format, XLS format, Aki.XLS, Aki.XLS, right? So compulsory it will work. What's up? What's going on here? Hmm. Say no, no. Sheet one no. J equal 0 say count to 7. Just I won't just go to my notes. So just go to my notes, full notes. Here we can get the solution at any cost. In my notes I mentioned. So first time. This is the first time why it is playing with me. Excel is Excel data. Hmm. How? Oh, here some concept is missed. Only numerical data copy. Control V. Hmm. Save. Click on run. Unsolved completion problem. Compilation problem. What is the compilation problem? Aki dot XLS. Save. Click on run. Wow. So this is the concept too. So tomorrow morning I will show you. So I will execute this program. So this is the concept too. How to get the data from Excel sheet. Just we need to get the data from Excel sheet. How to get the data from Excel sheet. This is the concept too. But my Eclipse is not working. So I tried with Maven also, but it is not working. So I tried my level best.